Okay, today I'm going to show you how to preserve your dryer and washer combo. If not just your single units alone, you might can take this down and note of it. As you can see right here on the wall or the edge of the corner, I put a plastic dot. So when the dryer door opens, it doesn't get a ding or a scratch or make any metal noise. And I also, for the washer, when it opens up, I put a plastic dot right in the center there, and that stops it from clanking or making any metal to metal noise, and also preserves it from not getting any scratches or dings as well. I'm going to show you what I bought. These are from IKEA, and it's just two little plastic dots. And you can buy them almost anywhere. I mean, even Walmart has them, Home Depot, Lowe's, any hardware store, more or less. And they don't cost that much. You could probably buy at least 20 at a time or more, so you can have yourself covered. Now I'm going to demonstrate how it works. I lift the lid of the dryer. As you can see, my plastic dot right there, you can release it. And it just bounces a few times. And now for my plastic dot that's right there on the corner, when I open up the door of the dryer, it just retracts or bounces back. And that's what preserves your dryer and washer doors from getting scratched or making that clanking noise.